What's poppin', Rolling Gang family? You already know who it is. You already know what it is. It's your boy TB. Welcome back to another edition of Rolling with TB. You hear me? What is up, my Rolling Gang family? Yes, sir, baby. Today is official vlog number 1 in Miami, Rolling Loud Day. Today we going to Rolling Loud to kick it. It's like 9-10 o'clock in the morning. It look real gloomy out here, I gotta check and see if it's gonna rain. Hopefully it don't rain, but the girls are about to get ready now. We about to go to the heck is the name of that dang place? The Sugar Factory. We about to go eat at the Sugar Factory, then go chill at the beach for a little while, kick our feet in some sand, get us some water, then see about if I can get them on some jet skis, because one is Lily daughter 13, her cousin is 16, so I don't know the age limit as far as jet skis and all that, but you know, tune in, baby, tune in, because we about to kick it today, man. Vlog number 1, Rolling Loud, day 1 in, well, day 1.5 in Miami. You feel me, baby? Rolling. This is my first time seeing a drag show live in person. Like, I've never seen that like this. Yeah, it's cool. It's cool.
That was an X. I was trying to reach for the phone.
Cheers.
The girls of Palace.
Enjoy.
1 hour later.
Hi, Mom. Taking your baby pictures. Yeah, man, we about to go to the beach. We just got done eating over at Sugar Factory. Witnessed my first drag show while eating at Sugar Factory. Now they back there taking pictures of each other. And I'm just over here vlogging myself. So it's time for me to go to the beach, get in the water. Here, we're glad you came, Heaven. Because you tried to back out on us. You really did. Yes, experiences cost. Experiences aren't always cheap. They worth it.
And it's worth it. When you worth it, it's worth it. I guess I'll see in the house.
Oh my God. You ever want to know one thing about me? I'm a water baby. Like, water is my safe haven. I love vacations with water. I love to be in the water for hours and hours and hours and hours, man. Miami. This is dope, man. This is dope. Even though I just came back from Jamaica 2 months ago, still, man, just to experience it. God is good, life is good. We from the hood. Don't get that misunderstood. Oh, you scared? Y'all scared of sharks? No.
My big ass.
Shit.
You gonna be ready? I'm gone. I swear to God, I'll be ready to go to
Fuck a shark.
Your ass gonna be screaming, Mama! I'm sorry.
Man.
Everybody else gonna be running too.
I'm bringing sand to the beach because my beach is better. Gotta get out of here, y'all. Oh, you see the sky? It's about to rain on our dumb ass.
Rain down on me. Let your love just fall like rain, just rain. Why are you playing?
Why are you licking it like that? It's ice.
I'm gonna stick to my tongue.
Why you don't get a spoon?
It's better this way.
That's what she said.
Later that same evening.
Everybody ready? No. The fuck going on? Guess y'all don't want to see y'all people then. Y'all want me to send an Uber for y'all?
No, I'm coming.
This is the Rolling Loud drip. I got the, the New York Yankee shorts on with the matching Archives with the Gucci socks. Super exclusive. Super exclusive. Check him out. Check him out. Money coming with the Chanel sneakers.
What's my name?
With the bitch better have my money socks. Alright. Alright, we see how you bumming.
Mm-hmm.
You look beautiful.
Thanks, baby.
Are y'all ready?
Let me get a close up on my glasses. Already. Close up on my shoes, see? Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
She bumming with it. Shout out to Rolling Loud. We got our wristbands, our wristbands, you know. This say 2020. Whatever. It's 2020. 3-day VIP passes on the game. You feel me? Excuse me. Let me get out y'all way while y'all brushing up like mother, like daughter. Hey, Coco Chanel.
Oh my lord. Hold on. Man, you wearing them shoes?
Y'all definitely need to take pictures together. Y'all are twins.
You wearing them shoes?
Yes, that is.
So if they get messed up?
They're not gonna be mixed up. They all black.
They play shoes at this point. That's how. Well, that's what mommy said. Like, fuck it.
No.
Ready? Well, 6:34. Got all this traffic. We supposed to have been there 30 minutes ago, 45 minutes ago. You know. But it is what it is.
Why you keep looking at me?
Hmm?
You keep looking at me.
No reason. You sad? We always sad. Besides heaven, she don't give a damn. She knocks the fuck out.
2 hours later.
Excuse me. Can you tell me where the orange lot is?
Yeah, it's here, but it's full, sir. We're already Ticketmaster messed up and they oversold. That has nothing to do with us. They just oversold the parking.
So y'all ain't got no other
You have to
parking?
take it back, fight it back, get that money back. The only thing I can tell you is go to the next traffic light to the right.
Alright. The fuck? Bro. The fuck? The fuck? Hold on. I'm so fucking confused right now. So you mean to tell me that I just paid for fucking parking? $45 to park. And it's all spots over there. It's dead ass all spots over there. And they won't let me park over there? Bro, this gotta be the worst fucking day ever for me. But you know what? It ain't about me, man. Azariah, she there. She get to enjoy Rolling Loud. Lily get to enjoy Rolling Loud. Heaven get to enjoy Rolling Loud. Damn, man, y'all do not understand how much this sucks right now. Like I straight can't be in Rolling Loud. Ain't nowhere to park. Like there's nowhere for me to park in a safe area. I'm not from here, so I don't want to just park anywhere. The car gets towed, the car gets, well, y'all don't think you can steal a Tesla, but just damaged, broke into, anything. Like I'm just man, I wish I didn't give a fuck about that car. If I didn't give a fuck, then I wouldn't be dealing with the shit I'm dealing with right now. But like I said, man, we about to chill, get some food from the licking, finger licking, and then let's go back to the hotel till they ready for me to pick them up, and then I'm gonna try it again tomorrow. That's just all I can do, man. But I just hope they had a good time and enjoyed themselves. That's all that matters at this point right now, so I don't know. It looks so dope, man. So dope. Got my food, got my drinks. Now it's time for me to get up out of here, man. Cause I'm over it. Like I'm over this day. I ain't mad, and the only reason I ain't mad is because I'm just glad that they get to enjoy themselves. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I ain't really tripping. Cause they enjoying themselves. So I'm about to just go back to the hotel.